Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. So as you guys can see on screen at the minute, we're on 198 subscribers, which is an increase of 14 since the last time I uploaded. So if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe down below. We're nearly at 200. I'm also, guys, going to be doing a giveaway for this microphone here, as you guys can see on screen at the minute. I'll put that there for you to see. Basically, the reason I'm doing a giveaway is because I've got a new camera and it doesn't actually have a microphone jack in it, and I thought it might be a good idea to give it away rather than refund it and get my money back. I'd rather give it to one of you guys that watch my videos for supporting the channel this much over the last couple of weeks, and the details of that are as follows. So in order to actually join the giveaway, what you have to do is actually join the Discord with the link in the description. Go to the giveaway submission page, which I'll put a screenshot on screen for you guys to see at the minute as well. And then obviously post a screenshot, which I'll also put on screen for you guys to put as well. And then, yeah, that way I'll look through them all. And then I'll select a random name from one of them two for a random name generator. And the winner of the giveaway will be decided that way there. Today, guys, I'm actually going to be speaking about Riot blockchain and if I consider it to be a good investment or not. So with that being said, let's actually get into the video. To be honest, guys, I actually did make a video to actually speak about Argo blockchain as well, which is similar to that of Riot blockchain. And the reason that I'm actually making this video is because they are of similar nature, however they both are different animals in themselves. So at the time of making this video, Riot is trading around about $61 a share and they currently have a market cap of $4.1 billion. Now, very similar to that of Mara and also Argo, Riot have climbed significantly in the last 3 months alone. And obviously they are very similar to that of Bitcoin, which has also climbed quite significantly in the last 3 months alone. I'll put a screenshot for you guys to see as well. Riot has went up 512%. Now, despite all the crypto mining companies being very forced and obviously wanting to compete even more, then I do believe still that Argo, Riot and Mara are all three of the best companies to invest your money into. Although this is just my personal opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research first before drawing any sort of conclusions. So at the moment, guys, I actually have 6 shares of Riot, which, to be honest, has went up 27% for myself since I've owned it. And to be honest, guys, I think that has absolutely loads of room still to grow. And the results I'm seeing at the minute are going to be very marginal, which is why I've also done this. So this is actually why I have a Pi function on Trading 212, which I'll put on screen for you guys to see at the minute, which has Riot, Mara and Argo all inside it, and the results of anything I put in towards that pie, 25% of that will go towards Riot blockchain. So let's actually get into some fundamentals to why I personally believe that Riot is a very good investment. First of all, I actually think a lot of people have been getting a lot more involved with Bitcoin and other cryptos because more people are becoming aware. And the way that people are becoming more aware is because the price is going up further and further, and the reason that the price is going up even further is because people are more aware. So yeah, it's basically just a ripple effect. More people become aware, more people buy. The reason we've seen quite an increase over the last week is purely due to that of the US stimulus checks, which gave people around about $1,400 to basically spend on as they please. And because more people are becoming aware of crypto and maybe haven't had the money to actually invest in it, now they have their funds. That's why we've seen Riot increase around about 12% in the last week alone. Also as well, guys, Riot is obviously expanding their business to match that of Bitcoin's increase as well. So effectively, the more mining facilities they actually have, the more money they'll actually be able to make from the Bitcoin that they actually are able to mine, and that way they become even more value as a company too. They also have plans to increase their petahash to 1,400 by May 2021, and the way they're going to actually be doing this is by they're going to obviously increase their mining capacity. So as you guys can see on screen at the minute, in November 2020, they installed 1,000 S10 Pros, which is basically mining computers. Also as well, guys, if you go across to their website, you can actually see milestone summaries, which obviously explains what they've expanded into over the last couple of months and what they plan on expanding into in the months to follow. So kind of like Argo as well, guys, they're obviously increasing their mining capacities in order to match the future of Bitcoin's prices, which to be honest is kind of partially the reason I'm involved in them, because they're growing as a company and I'm also believing in the growth of Bitcoin and the future price that has to come as well. So as long as Bitcoin actually maintains its growth and continues to grow, the Bitcoin that Riot and Argo also too are able to mine, this is obviously going to become more valuable, and as it becomes more valuable, so will the computers that they've actually purchased as well become more valuable too, and in turn that's going to rise Riot's price as a company as a whole. We can also see as well that in October 2021, they have 1,500 more Antminers, which is effectively computers that they can use to mine Bitcoin, and that obviously is going to further expand their business to match Bitcoin's price. Also guys, I do think that Riot are expanding their operations to the maximum capacity they possibly can, and they're keeping us informed of that as much as they possibly can through their key summary page, which they have on their website, which I'll also leave a link to in the description. And that way, as an investor, I feel informed and I'm obviously not getting stressed about what's happening with the company. So guys, finally to conclude, I actually feel like there can be a conclusion to draw from this. I mean, Riot themselves have fantastic expansion plans. They also obviously have parallel growth to that of Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin increases, so do they as a company. And obviously as well, guys, I do feel like that their growth in terms of mining facilities to mine Bitcoin is forever getting better as well. And as a result of that, I feel like as long as Bitcoin continues to grow, Riot will grow to match that as well. And obviously they're going to become more valuable, which is why I have invested into the company. Bitcoin as well actually still has loads of room to grow, at least in my own opinion. I did actually find this article as well, which I'll put on screen for you guys to see, which basically says that Bitcoin has room to grow all the way up to 1 million within the next decade. So essentially guys, I'm going to be holding this for the long run, because as long as Bitcoin continues to grow, this stock is going to grow in my eyes anyway. That's what I see happening. So anyway guys, that is going to be it for this video. If you guys did enjoy it, do not forget to subscribe down below. We're going to be at 200 subscribers by the time I upload my next video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, because I'm going to be giving that microphone away to somebody as well. And I will see you guys in the next one.